Hello there. This is RV Jerry. I picked this truck up way back up in the hills, about as far as you can go back up in Columbia. Guy wanted $700 for a 1957 Ford truck. I bought it sight unseen off of Craigslist and drove. Guy wanted $700 for a 1957 Ford truck. I bought it sight unseen off of Craigslist and drove. Well, I think it was almost 80 miles to get up there. You can see the condition it is in. It's in very bad condition. I think every uh, quarter panel, every fender, every top, every panel either had dings or the guy had just gone crazy and drilled holes in just about everything. I was just going to use this truck to move this RV in and out of its garage, but it turned out to be such a good find, I decided to make it straight. So I did do quite a bit of work on it, as I'll explain that work in later videos. Uh, Left fender had to be, no, it'd be the right fender had to be replaced. I couldn't do that straight. Here you can see these big iron plates that they put in the floor where they were rotting, where it was rotting. They're just uh, riveted in. He's just seen some big holes cut in the dashboard. Um, got a bunch of this stuff fixed. Had to replace that right fender. I think I said that. Um, the good find was the engine and the transmission. I was told it was out of like a 54 Chevy. When I got it home, got serial number cleaned off, and I did a search. I found it was a 1969 327 with a 3-speed turbo transmission. So that was a very good find. And after some work, got it running good. Starts good, runs good. Had to do a lot of work there. You'll see this engine coming up here just about like right. There you go. One orange valve cover, one blue valve cover. Vibration damper about to fall off, so no bolt on it. Had to do some work down there. A lot of work everywhere. There's the serial number. Uh, Transmission underneath here just gobs oil. It did also have a nice find. Was a 9-inch Ford rear end. Um, this is the truck a year later, probably to the month a year later. Pulled it out the beginning, like in last of February, and started working on it. I did have all the fenders off. I got them all back now, all back on. The fender, the grill, that whole front end was gone, so I could do work on the engine and get to that crank and all that stuff. And I patched up the dings quite a bit. The bed's bent down on the inside there, but it's still very solid. Very solid truck. The guy hauled rocks with this to do his landscaping. Um, see what else? See these lights, really good. Tail lights I had to redo. You'll see those in the next video. It did come with these wheels and some decent 6-ply tires on it, which helped moving, setting that big fifth wheel down on top of it last year. I don't know if it'll go back in this year or not. You can see there where I did some sealing body work, fixing all those holes. I welded up the dash, got doing body work on it. Got the instrument cluster fixed up. 2 new gauges in there that really work. The only thing that works in there, I think, is the oil temperature gauge or the oil pressure gauge. Here you can see I just cleaned up the rust. Bunch of stuff here. You see I did a lot of work on this truck, and I was going to have it painted, but I'll wait on that. Well, that's the truck. This is the end of part 1. So take a look at the next ones. There's 12 altogether. See how I've worked on this truck over time and the repairs I've done. Thanks for watching.